Morning, folks. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to work on my truck. Last time I fired this old girl up, I had a fuel leak. And there it is. Now, I can tell you exactly what happened and why it happened. When I put this thing together, the Holley carburetors have a 5/16 fuel line, fuel fitting. And when I merged the fuel lines together, the factory fuel line to the rubber hose, the 3/8 fuel line was the perfect fit for coming out of the factory fuel filter down on the frame rail. And then I went into this fitting here for my fuel pressure regulator. And then, like most folks, I took a shortcut and just shoved the 5/16 fuel line piece that I had over the 3/8 fuel line. And as you can see, over time, and it took a couple of years, it wore through and caused a fuel leak. And I'm just thankful that I caught it when I did, or we could have had a really bad issue. So, guy I used to work with over when I was at Napa came up with this deal. That's a union with a 3/8 and a 5/16 brass fuel fitting. So I got to get it back apart, put some plumber's tape on it, and then we're going to put the old girl back together so we can stay safe and go out and find a Chevy or a Dodge to harass. Anyhow, I'm going to get to work on this, and I'll bring you back when things get going. And yeah, I left it out, and now I've got this issue here. So, surface rust. I'll have to clean it up, and then I guess run it over to a friend of mine's house and close his carport in plastic and shoot this truck. Might even be able to sell it if I did that. But if you're interested in the truck, don't be afraid of it. It runs, and it runs good. Anyway, I'll bring you back when I get that put together. Yeah, I know what y'all are probably thinking. It looks like shit, and it kind of sort of does, but the name of the game is as long as it works and doesn't prevent any future issues. So this is something that I will keep my eye on and kind of take it from there. I'm fixing to put this back on the carburetor and check my battery because it's been sitting for a while. I'm pretty sure that the computer's probably drained it down. Yeah, computer's still there. It's just been bypassed. It's still looking for that little 4-banger that came with it. Anyhow, I'll get it put back together, and when I get it running, I'll bring you back and let you have a listen. Alright, it looks like everything's going to work, but as I suspected, yeah, that battery is dead because it's sat too long. So, I'll get it charged back up. Come back out here again later on, probably tomorrow, and take another crack at it. But that should take care of the problem. Anyway, looking forward to taking it down the street again. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm out in the Ford. I let this girl sit too long, man. It's I guess I need to tighten my valve cover a little bit because it was smoking on the exhaust manifold real bad. My thermostat, or my temperature gauge, at first wasn't working until I juiced her up on the Mustang Road, and then it come open. Anyway, fuel leak is fixed. Man, my shifter linkage was acting kind of funny. Didn't want to go into gear and stuff. So that's probably just one of the pitfalls of this truck sitting for so long. Man, maybe I do need to go ahead and turn loose in this truck and let somebody take it to the next level to finish it. I hate to see it go, but it is a fun driver. I enjoy it. Probably going to get in trouble. I better slow down. I was trying to blow some of the dirt out of it. The temperature's running a steady 180 now, nice and warm. I got the electric fan going. She's not missing a beat. I can tell she's missed being on the road. If Dad were still alive, he'd still be using this for carpentry work. So take it around the block, and I'm fixing to head to the house. Anyway, I got it fixed. And so, you guys have a great week. Catch you on the next video. Oh, got my finger in the way.